Hey, how's it going everyone? Chris is here back with another room tour video. We are staying in Ocean Riviera Paradise in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Staying on the 3rd floor. Let's go check out the room. As we walk in, to the right, we have a nice sized restroom, dual sinks, a nice sized tub with jets. Our fellow YouTuber Chris. Don't forget to put a like, subscribe, so you guys can stay updated with all my newest videos. Hope you guys enjoy this. To the right, we have a shower, a nice small shower, very clean, good water pressure. And to the right of that, the toilet area. Small toilet area, but it did the trick. They supply you in the room with shower gels, shampoos, conditioners, soap. Very nice bathroom. They even have a scale in here. If you need to weigh yourself to keep track of the weight, there is a scale in the bathroom. Over here in the closet, you will find a safe where you can keep all your belongings, an ironing board, and plenty of space to keep all your clothes tucked away. Yes. Plenty of space. And over here, more space, extra pillows, you get to hang all your stuff, fold your stuff away. To the right, we have a full-size mirror where you can see yourself before you head out to dinner. Make sure you look right. A very, very cozy king-size bed. Very cozy. Been having very, very good night's rest here every night. A nice sized TV. Small coffee maker. Ice pail. See, the housekeeper always leaves a little something for us. Let's check out what's under here. Let's open this up. Small little mini fridge, little mini bar. They do stock it with sodas and 2 beers per day. That's one thing that caught us by surprise. Normally, all-inclusive means you get all the beer you need whenever you need. And room service is limited from, I believe, 11 to 11. So after that, I think it's considered to be a special order. But see, a nice desk. Lots of information. Super nice little living room area to come and hang out. That there was left over from our room service breakfast. Telephone. Very, very cozy bedroom. Very, very cozy suite, may I say. We've been very, very comfortable here. The room comes equipped with a humidifier. In case it gets a bit too humid, you can cut it on. We have not had any issues. Let's go take a look at the balcony now. All right. Smooth sliding door, no issues opening that up. Nice big door. A very spacious balcony to hang out. Bring a few friends out here. Couple seats, coffee table, and a very cool swing that you could just sit in and just hang out. We did opt for the garden view as we came with a bunch of family members and we'd imagined that we'd be busy, so we did not need the pool view. Very relaxing, very quiet. So there you have it, folks. My room tour for this stay Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be adding more videos as we continue to travel. Have a great one, everyone. Signing out.